Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out the January savings event going on at your local Harbor Freight. So let's dive in. So guys, there is yet another sale going on right now at Harbor Freight. You can see some of these deals going on right now at their January sales event. We're going to show you all the deals that are going on right now. We see a couple hex keys there, and then a few more items for Icon right here. Again, 25% off, solid deal on these, but there are some great deals going on right now, and there are some percentage off. I'll show you guys those throughout the video as well. Here is another great deal. We see this down $500. So if you need one of these for your shop or for your garage, you can check these out and save a big chunk of money. $2,500 here from Icon. Again, super nice setup here. You can probably put all of your tools, all your setup, and everything that you'll need for a nice size garage, or like I mentioned, shop as well. So whatever you might be interested in, this is a great deal and a great markdown event right here. Again, $500. That's a great deal on that one. This is large. They do have delivery for that. Then they also have $100 off of this chest right here. This is the Work Center hutch. Down to $599.99 or $600, so you get to save on that. So again, some great deals, some big markdowns here on this US General and also on the Icon just a second ago. So I'm going to show you a bunch of the deals that are going on right now this January sales event, and it's only for a few days, so you need to go ahead and snag these deals if you're interested. Here are a couple smaller deals. We got a little Pittsburgh options here, little mini picks for 79 cents. Then we do have a bunch of clearance items that are still going on, and I just made a Harbor Freight video last week, and I showed you a bunch of the deals going on with clearance and also inside Track Club. But with these clearance deals, you actually get a higher percent off as well, and I'll show you that here in just a moment. But we have this Baxter belt sander, $75. Also have some air hose here for $12. Then another setup here for $80. So if you need the regulator. Another option here for the ultra quiet Fortress 140. Get a little air compressor for your house, for your shop. Save a little bit of money on that one. You also have the Apex winch down to $49.99, $500 for this one right here. Again, part of the January savings event. And they also have other deals going on right now. There are a ton of things on sale. As you can see, this jack here for $70. Get some good percent off of that. But they have the instant savings deal going on. They have the inside Track Club deals. They also have clearance and other things like that. We also have the ratcheting load binder here for $40. 20% off of that one. The Banks roofing nailer, $99. We did see a couple deals on Banks recently. Then again, you see more savings all over the place. We have the Bauer crown stapler, $80 for that one. And we also have some drop cords here, $59 on this one, 100 foot, $39 on this one right here for the 12 gauge 50 foot. Drop cord even has the big end on this one, and then $9 for this one right here, the 25-foot indoor-outdoor extension cord. Another great option right here is the Daytona 3-ton jack. So if you need one of these, $200 for that, $90 off. We saw this going on earlier. It's the charging cable, but down to $16.99. Little step stool, working on that. Just did a project, definitely used one of those a lot. Got electric hoist, $85. Hadn't even seen this in the store before that I've noticed. Pretty good deal on that one. Have another chain hoist. Got the 2-ton and the 1-ton right here next to each other. $70 and $55 on those. Again, some solid deals with that. Then we have the Maddox, $30 for disc brake pads and caliper service tools. $150 here. You can see these are all sold out. I do think A lot of them did say it kind of depended if your store was available, but most of them said whatever was in the store, and that was it. But you can check and see if these are available in your store. Then we also have the jumper cables here, $35 right there for Viking. Solid deal with that one. And the power inverter here for $260. Again, a solid deal for that. $79 here for, again, the 2-ton pumps, or 2-ton jack, excuse me. So kind of depends on what size you might need. A couple different sizes. You have the fluid matrix or fluid extractor, $70 here. Holt Industries. Also the ammo can, $5. The plastic one. Have some of these pliers, different sizes. So whatever size you might be needing, you can get 25% off of this for the January savings event. Icon, great brand on that one as well. Also, if this video has been helpful so far, it would really help me out if you would like and subscribe to the channel. Now back to the deals. We have this $219, $30 off of the single chest. I think it's this top chest right here. Yep, 27-inch for the U.S. General. So you get to save a few bucks off of that one, especially if you missed any of these deals that we had for Black Friday and Christmas. A few more Pittsburgh tools here. $6 on those, 25% off as well. More Pittsburgh tools. $50 on this one. And this is what I was talking about, the January savings event. Take additional 30% off all of clearance tags. And if you're inside Track Club, then you get 40% off. Look at all these clearance. They are all over the store. But again, you get 30% off of these. So if you were even thinking about those, maybe you watched the other video, or maybe you should go back and watch the other video. I'll have it linked down below. I'll show you all the clearance things going on right now. But you can check these out. You get another 30% off. And if you're inside Track, you get another 40% off of these deals. So you can go and get a heck of a deal on a lot of these. And I'll even show you more of the deals going on kind of throughout the video and even at the end as well. So remember that. You get % off the clearance. Have this electric chainsaw here from Bauer, $65 on that one, 16-inch, solid size. The disc sander from Bauer, $160. Again, $30 off of that one. So again, another solid price and good savings. Then we also have the lathe here, $240. So you get to save $40 off of that one. So again, Central Machinery lathe. Pittsburgh C-clamp, $4. Metal option with that one. Then we have the 6-inch ratcheting bar clamp. Now this was gone in my store. $189, 52% off. Then we also have $239 here. We have the benchtop wood lathe. So $40 off of this one, since right there in the box, it's not out. But Central Machinery also had their belt and disc sander, $160 for that one. Another pretty good deal, especially if you need one of these. Pittsburgh Tools, $10 for the chisel and punch set.
Well, hey guys, the sponsor of today's videos is Lytmi. These are some really cool headphones. As you can see, these right here are really nice. I really like using these when I'm editing videos or if I'm working in the yard or just working in the shop here. They're really comfortable. They're also really small and lightweight. So they just come out. You can see how small they are right there. Super tiny, really easy to use. All you have to do is slip them over your ear and boom, you are ready to roll. You can see it right there. Just say connected, so it kind of messed me up, but it's really small. Even feels like you don't have it on there, so it's so crazy and it's so light. It does have a little light indicator on the box, so it comes in this little box and it's magnetic, so you can just pop them back in there and it's able to charge up, which is really nice and neat. And you can also just have one on, or if you can have both as well. But this has worked really well. It sounds really good. It's really light, and like I showed you, it just pops in place, so it just kind of slips over your ear. Super easy. Boom. And now you are ready to roll. And like I said, after a couple minutes, you won't even feel like it's there. So that's really nice. I'm not a huge fan of the like earbuds or whatever that stick in your ear. I can't really, use those very well. So these have worked really well for me. They're super comfortable, lightweight. They last a long time, and they have this cool little case. So you just pop them back in there. They're magnetic, so they just snap in, and boom, you just keep it in this case. All you have to do is charge it up. So overall, this has been great. I do have a link down below if you're interested for a few bucks off of this. So check it out down below.
Hey guys, here is the link for Amazon. As you can see, it's only 40 bucks. There is another coupon there, so you can use whichever one you like, but back to the video. Bauer bench grinder, 75 bucks for that one. They had the 6-inch right here, but the 8-inch is the one that's on sale. So, again, more grinders for these. Bauer, 70 bucks here for the polisher and sander. Pretty good deal for that one. I've seen that on sale a couple times. 49 bucks here for the Hercules circular saw. So if you need one of those, definitely grab it. Hercules is a great brand for that. Then Bauer, the drill mixer here, 45 bucks. And then Warrior, $15 drill. I mean, it's hard to beat that. Can't get a drill for cheaper than that, really. The tile saw, $200 here for a Diamondback. We did see this on sale during Black Friday time and maybe Christmas time, but now it's back on sale. Also, Chicago Electric tile saw, 200 bucks for that one. And then they have the as-is merchandise. You can take an additional 30% off marked items, 40% off for Inside Track Club. You can see some of these options we have right here, but you can always check your store and see. Definitely let me know if you were able to grab anything good at this table of. Again, mine had a bunch of stuff, but they did say it has been picked over, so I wonder what kind of deals were available earlier in the week and just other deals that they had going on. But it's always great to see these, trying to move some of these older inventory, so always check and see what might be available. And a bunch of these, they do recommend that you check them out because I think there's like a 3 or 5 day window when you can take them back. So you want to make sure you take them home, check them out, make sure they got everything. But really good deals on these. I really thought about grabbing a couple of these items. I really think this right here, the 3-gallon McGraw, man, that was a really good deal. I turned it around, and I mean, it was like 30 bucks. It ended up being like $33 or something like that. And so really thought it was a good deal, but a bunch of other great options as well. So always check these and see what might be available in your store. So guys, just a reminder, it's 30% off all clearance items and as-is items, and then 40% off if you're Inside Track Club. It does run through the 26th, so again, you need to get on this while supplies last. So I don't know if they're going to be replacing things, but they do have all these listed online. So if you wanted to check them out online, you could do that as well. So whichever one you might be interested in, but go and check and see if any of these things are the deals you are interested in. We even saw a couple that I didn't see in the store, but really great deals, really good things. This is, again, a solid deal. That's why I've done another video on Harbor Freight, like almost 3 weeks in a row. They have some great deals going on. But go check out their January savings event. And if this video has been helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.